fun living in the real world. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I feel like I haven't said that in so long. I don't think I uploaded a YouTube video in like 6 months. But today I'm finally going to be doing my apartment tour. It's not really an empty apartment tour. I've been here for a couple days, so I have some stuff moved in, but like I don't have any furniture or anything like that yet. So it's kind of an empty apartment tour. So yeah, just keep in mind nothing's done. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I'm like obsessed with like home decor and I love Pinterest and stuff like that. So I'm really excited to decorate, and I'm probably gonna show like me decorating each room. I'm probably gonna make like videos for it, but yeah. This is gonna be my new apartment tour. All right guys, so it's kind of dark in here. So you come in and first we have the kitchen. I'm sorry if my voice is echoing, but yeah, first we have the kitchen, fridge, ice machine and water. Don't judge my fridge, first of all. I didn't really go shopping yet. I just went like basic shopping, so I really don't have nothing in here except for like Snapple and Mad Water, because I know I love water. Yeah, and the freezer. I really don't have much in here. Then you come over here, you have counter space. One thing I love about this apartment is there's so many outlets. Like if you see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's so many. But yeah, a lot of cabinet space up here. Again, I don't have much in here, so I'm not even gonna show you guys. Yeah, you come over here, you have the stove, oven, and then right up top, microwave. Then you come over here. I'm so in love with this knife set. Guys, how freaking cute is this? So cute. Oh, I can't wait till all my stuff gets here. I feel like all right, stop zooming. What the yo, my camera be wildin'. Okay, so yeah. In here, do you guys think I have enough wine glasses? And then there's more. There's like, what, 6, like 10 up there. Like, why do I need 10 wine glasses? So yeah. Then you come this way, sink, of course, cleaning stuff. I have down here, what's here? More like utensils, cooking oil, and then in the back, that's my hookah. Then you have the dishwasher. Then I have this cute little like countertop here, which we're gonna put 2 clear stools right here. You know, so we could like eat breakfast in the morning here. I think that'll be cute, but yeah, we didn't order them yet, but we're gonna order 2 clear stools. And then before we leave the kitchen, to the right, we have little laundry closet. So you have washer and dryer here. There's a lot of space in here. Ironing board, which I still didn't open. Iron, which I still didn't open. And you have this little shelf with, you know, fabric softener, laundry detergent, all that stuff. Laundry that I still need to do. So yeah, it's a pretty big laundry room. Okay, now here, this lighting is so weird. We have the living room, which is pretty big, nice size. Don't mind this stuff over here. This is stuff that I need to put away in my room. So yeah, this is the living room. We're probably gonna get, well, we already ordered, but we're probably gonna put our couch on this wall. We got like a gray sectional, so we're probably gonna put it on this wall, and then here we're probably gonna put like a big TV on the wall on this side. And like a cute little coffee table. I don't know, we're still deciding. I honestly cannot wait to decorate. So yeah, this is the living room. Nothing really special. Then you go this way. Look how cute this is. This little wine cart. See, there's more wine glasses, 6 more. Why do I need like 16 wine glasses? I have a little Sauvignon Blanc there. Yeah, this is so cute, and it has wheels. Freaking adorable. So yeah, then you have the main bathroom. Regular bathroom. It's a nice size too. Tub and shower. So yeah, that's the main bathroom. Oh, I can't with me coughing. Then right here you have the first room. This is my girl's room. She is actually not here though. She is in California. So I've been here by myself until she gets here, but this is her room. And her closet. So yeah, I can't wait till she gets here because I've been so bored by myself. But yeah, that's her room. And now we're going to my room, which is this way. So this is my room. Yeah, I have like no furniture, so yeah, when you come in, you can see my box spring and mattress are on the floor because my bed didn't get here yet, but I can't wait till it gets here. My bed is so cute. So yeah, there's my bed, well, my mattress. My ring light here. This little table just with random stuff on it until I get this little like storage organizer thing, which didn't come either. I have so much stuff to do. And then you come this way and I have my vanity here. I had to put it here because I like that it's right by the window, so you get like the natural light like while you're doing your makeup. So yeah. Then I have these little like makeup containers with like my makeup that I wear like every day. So yeah, that's that. And I'm gonna get like these little, I think it's white. It's like a little storage, like little drawers things. Wow, I can't talk. But yeah, I'm gonna put that here so I could put like my hair stuff and more makeup and all that stuff in there because I still have so much stuff like in boxes. So yeah. I'm also thinking about putting a desk in here with my computer on it. I don't know. And probably a TV on one of these walls. I don't know, but yeah. So then you come this way, and then on the right you have my closet. My closet is not done at all yet, so don't judge me yet. But yeah, this is my closet. I still have a lot of space on this side. I ran out of hangers, so that's another thing I need to get, more hangers so I can hang the rest of my stuff up. I still have stuff up here that needs to be hung and moved. I still have space up here, but I think I'm gonna put like more bags up there, like on the top. And I just need to figure out where to put my shoes. I'm thinking about moving this dresser out into my actual room and making this wall in the middle like a shoe wall from the bottom to the top. I don't know, what do you guys think? Or if I don't do that, I could kind of put like my shoes down like under, but I don't know. Because as you can see, all my shoes are still in this box here. So yeah, I need to figure out where I'm gonna put my shoes. But yeah, this freaking dresser is completely full. I have too much stuff. Like I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Yeah, so I have to figure that out. I'm gonna do like a closet like tour and stuff once I'm finished with everything. But yeah, that's my closet. Then, lastly, you have my bathroom, which also isn't done. Yeah, I love this freaking shower curtain. I think it's so cute. Shout out to my mom for getting this for me. It's adorable. I don't even know why I still have the freaking tags on this thing. But yeah, regular bathroom. It's actually a pretty big bathroom. Like, it's a nice size. Nothing special up here. These candles smell so good. This one is champagne toast. And this one is balsam and firewood. Oh my god. From White Barn and Bath and Body Works. Smells so good. I cannot wait to light these. So good. But yeah. And then I have like a bunch of stuff under here that I need to organize. Like cleaning stuff and all that tissue and stuff. I need to really get my life and organize all this stuff. But yeah, that is the bathroom. And that pretty much completes my apartment tour.
Level R.
So guys, this is the floor where the rooftop is. This is the rooftop, but unfortunately it's closed because it's freezing outside. But yeah, there's a lot of seats out there and a grill. And then it goes to the left too, but I can't really get that. But yeah, the rooftop.